Welcome back to Learn English with us. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's start today's English lesson together. Hi, James. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm great, thanks. So, James, what's today's lesson?
Today's lesson is greetings in English. We'll learn how to say hello at different times of the day.
We use hello or hi any time of the day. Hello is more formal, hi is more casual.
Exactly. Perfect, Sarah.
So if I meet my teacher, I should say hello, and with my best friend I can say hi?
Exactly. Perfect, Sarah. We say good morning from 5 a.m. until 12 p.m. For example, when you see your teacher at 9 a.m., you say, good morning.
So at breakfast with my family, I say good morning.
Yes, that's right. We say good afternoon from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., for example, after lunch.
If I see a friend at 2 p.m., should I say good afternoon?
Yes, very good. That's polite and correct. We say good evening from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. when we meet someone in the evening.
So not before sleep?
Correct. Good evening is for meeting people, not for going to bed. We say good night when we go to bed, or when we leave someone late at night.
So if I call my mom before sleep, I can say good night?
Yes, Sarah, that's perfect. Practice game. Sarah, it's 8 a.m. What do you say?
Good morning.
Excellent. It's 3 p.m.
Good afternoon.
Very good. And now it's 10 p.m. You go to bed.
Good night.
Perfect. Before we finish, let's practice together one more time. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
Excellent. Now let's use them in a real conversation. Mini dialogue at the office.
Good morning, James.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Mini dialogue at night.
Good night, James.
Good night, Sarah. Sleep well. That's perfect. You can now greet people politely at any time of the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, or night.
Wow, that was fun. I'll try to use these greetings today with my friends and family.
That's the best way to learn. Practice every day, even with simple words.
Exactly. So if you like this lesson, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and keep practicing with us every day.
And remember,
Every hello can start a great conversation.
now let's do a quick review together. Repeat after me slowly, and if you're at home, say it out loud.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
Excellent. Now let's add some questions and answers. Short, at conversation practice 1, meeting a friend. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Nice, have a good day.
You too.
Did you see? Just a few simple words. And we already have a full conversation. Short conversation practice 2, meeting a teacher. Good morning, Miss Brown.
Good morning, James. Please take your seat.
Thank you. Simple and polite. That's how you start your day right. Let's make it more fun. Sarah, I'll say the time. You say the right greeting.
Challenge accepted.
It's 10 a.m.
Good morning.
It's 1 p.m.
Good afternoon.
It's 6 p.m.
Good evening.
It's 11 p.m.
Good night.
Perfect. And you at home, say it with us.
I like this kind of game, James. It helps me remember.
Exactly. Learning English is easier when you say and hear the words many times.
So practice makes perfect.
Absolutely. And greetings are the first step to real conversations.
All right, everyone. You can now say hello like a pro. Practice with your family, friends, or even in front of a mirror.
Yes. And if you want to sound confident, remember to smile when you say hello. It changes everything.
That's true. A simple smile and a simple hello can open many doors.
So keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning.
And don't forget, every hello can start a great conversation.
See you soon.
Bye!
Wait, before we really finish, let's do one last challenge for everyone watching.
Oh no, another game?
Yes, I'll describe a moment, and you choose the right greeting. Ready?
Let's go!
You meet your neighbor at 7 a.m.
Good morning.
Nice. Now it's 12 p.m. You see your colleague after lunch.
Good afternoon.
Perfect. It's 8 p.m. You meet a friend outside.
Good evening.
Great. And finally, it's 11 p.m. You go to bed.
Good night.
Excellent, Sarah. And you at home, tell us your score in the comments. How many greetings did you get right?
That was fun. I really feel ready to greet people anywhere, anytime.
And that's the goal. Confidence and kindness in every word.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep saying hello every day.
Because every simple greeting can make someone's day better. Before you go, let's take one more minute to practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me, nice and slow. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Now let's try them again, but this time, say them with a big smile. Hello. Good morning. Perfect. Do you feel the difference? When you smile, your voice sounds happier and more natural. Remember, English isn't just about words. It's about how you make people feel. So tomorrow morning, try it. Say good morning to someone near you and watch how their face lights up. And that's your mini homework for today. One real hello in real life. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next lesson.
See you next time, everyone, and don't forget to smile. If you also learned something new, give us a big thumbs up and write in the comments. What's your favorite greeting?